When it comes to getting people and goods from place to place, less can be more. Yet in order to simplify the complex networks of technology, equipment, and facilities needed for seamless logistics distribution, you need the knowledge and experience of a powerful team. At Terracon, we support business owners, their real estate, design, and construction teams throughout the project lifecycle. Our role is to help identify and mitigate the risks associated with constructing and operating a supply chain facility.
We understand the pace required when dealing with the conveyance and storage of materials and products. Having provided environmental, geotechnical, facilities, and materials construction services for thousands of logistic facilities, we know any disruption has an unrecoverable cost. Our ability to mobilize fast and respond quickly with innovative solutions is what sets us apart.
By keeping our approach simple, we're able to meet clients right where you need us. We're with you from site selection through design and construction. We adhere to all the unique regulatory and compliance requirements, then address any of the expected or surprise issues associated with aging infrastructure. This includes managing expenses and repairs for some of your most costly assets like pavements and buildings.
As project partners, we collaborate to best serve your needs, calling upon more than 150 locations to provide the resources for your engineering challenges.
For any project, big or small, routine or complex, Terracon is ready to help. Responsive, resourceful, reliable.